These are dumbbell stretch curls. Very, very similar to any other variation of a dumbbell curl. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on an inclined bench. I'm going to bring my elbows back as far as I comfortably can, and then I begin the motion of the curl, okay? So the only difference really between this and any other dumbbell curl, if you come around to the side here, is the elbow is slightly behind the back. So in a normal curl, my elbow is here as I do the movement, but because I'm leaned back, the elbow goes behind me slightly and it stretches my bicep a little bit better. Now the key in this here is to make sure that the elbows are back, the chest is pushed out, and that as I do the movement, the elbows stay in the same position. They don't drift around like this as I'm doing it, okay? Because then there's no more tension on the biceps. Elbows fixed, curl up and down nice and slow. Don't go too high at the top, because again, if I go to here, I lose some of the tension. I want to finish around there. Nice and slow, down, up, down, and up, okay? And those are incline or stretch curls with dumbbells.